So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC Physics Exam Revision Series, we have here these 9 WAEC repeated questions to answer on the topic motion. So guys, this video will be about viscosity, that's motion in fluids. So in short, to state here at the end of this video, let's go ahead and consider the first question here. It says, the viscosity of a fluid depends on the following factors except the A. Surface area of the fluid in contact, B. Relative motion between the layers of the fluid, C. Normal reaction in the fluid, D. Nature of the material of the fluid. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, normal reaction in the fluid. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 2 here. It says, which of the following statements about viscosity is true? It's A. Depends on the areas of the surface in contact. B. Depends on the tangential force between the layers. C. Is independent of the relative velocity of the layers. D. Occurs in fluids. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, occurs in fluids. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question here is question number 3. It says, a metal ball of weight W falls through a column of glycerine of velocity V. If the ball experiences an upthrust U and terminal velocity is attained, then W is less than U plus V. B. W is greater than U plus V. C. W plus U minus V. D. W is equal to U plus V. So guys, the answer to this question here is option D. That's W is equal to U plus V. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 4 here. It says, a ball falling through a viscous liquid is acted upon by A. Upthrust only, B. the ball's weight and viscous force, C. Upthrust, the ball's weight and viscous force, D. Upthrust and the ball's weight. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. Upthrust, the ball's weight and viscous force. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question we have here is question number 5. It says, the frictional effect between the layers of a moving fluid is called A. Diffusion, B. Viscosity, C. Capillarity, D. Turbulence. So guys, obviously the answer to this question is option B, and that's viscosity. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. So the next question we have here is question number 6. It says, which of the following substance is most viscous at room temperature? We have A. Water, B. Petrol, C. Alcohol, D. Palm wine. So guys, like you must have guessed rightly, the answer to this question is option D. That's the palm oil. So palm oil is actually more viscous than all the other fluids stated here at room temperature. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question here is question number 7. It says, a ball bearing is gently released from rest and allowed to fall through a viscous fluid. Which of the following statements about the motion is correct? A. When terminal velocity is attained, the acceleration of the fluid becomes 0. B. Its acceleration decreases before terminal velocity is attained. C. Its velocity increases before terminal velocity is attained. D. Velocity. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. When terminal velocity is attained, the acceleration becomes 0. So as the ball bearing moves through the fluid, it gets to attain terminal velocity, and as terminal velocity is attained, there is no further acceleration. So the acceleration becomes 0. So that's it for this question. Option A is the answer to this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question we have here is question number 8. It says, on which of the following factors does the viscosity of a liquid depend? We have I, nature of the liquid, II, temperature of the liquid, III, area of the liquid surface. So guys, the answer to this question here is I and II, and that corresponds to option A. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next and last question here is question number 9. It says the friction which exists between two layers of liquid in relative motion is called A. Capillarity, B. Cohesion, C. Surface tension, D. Viscosity. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, viscosity. And that's it for this question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.